Many men out there today lack confidence in bed. A lot of men they have questions like how can they make their penis look bigger? A lot of men today they want to add 1 or 2 inches to their penis size. Let's talk about how you can make it look bigger. If this is your first time on this channel, my name is Blessing and I am a health creator, so you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And please don't make it your last. Please do subscribe so you can watch more of my videos. Anyways, let's get started. So the first thing I'll be discussing is weight loss. Due to age or the lifestyle that we live in today, a lot of people tend to accumulate fat in their abdominal area, and because of this fat tends to cover some parts of the penis, and then it will make the penis to appear smaller, and in severe cases we call it buried penis syndrome. When you lose abdominal fat, you tend to make the penis to appear bigger, because in those genital areas, those are the places where the fats tend to accumulate, the abdominal area. So losing your weight now will make the penis to appear big. Another thing you need to do is to regulate your stress, your anxiety. You need to regulate it, because when you are under stress, there's a particular hormone in our body known as adrenaline that will be released, and because of this adrenaline has the effect of constricting the blood vessels in the body. And when this happens, it's going to restrict blood supply to your joystick. And you know already that you need supply of blood to your joystick area to make it look bigger. For you to have that erection, you need blood supply to your joystick area. So in order for you to make your penis look big, you need to watch your stress level. You need to be sure that you are not anxious. So make sure you work on your anxiousness and your stress level today. Another thing for you to do is to eat healthy diet. Yes, you need to eat heart-friendly food, so your heart will be able to continuously pump blood to your joystick area for you to have that erection that you wanted, because you already know, like I have said, that you need rush of blood to your penis in order for you to achieve erection. Foods like green vegetables like oysters can help you to increase blood flow in your body, and because of this you tend to have stronger erection. Now another one is that you need your morning erection. As a man, you already know that each morning you are supposed to wake up with your morning erection. This is like a regular exercise that your penis is supposed to be taking on daily basis, because when this happens, it is just a form of exercise, and this might increase the size of your penis. It might make it to look bigger, because when your penis does not get the nutrients, the blood supply it needs, then definitely it's going to look smaller. So having your morning erection, midday erection, or whenever you're having it is going to help your penis to remain healthy. Another thing you need to do to make your penis appear bigger is to make sure that you shave the pubic hair in your pubic area, because when you don't trim those hairs in your pubic area, it tends to isolate the penis and make it to look smaller. It is just like being trapped in a particular place. It is not going to be visible because of the hairs that is surrounding it. So when you shave or when you wax, you make your penis, your joystick, to become bigger and become more visible. Doing little manscaping is quite essential, so your penis can appear bigger and look more impressive and even attractive. Now the most important of all the points that I have listed is for you to be confident in yourself, because let me tell you something, a lot of times the size does not really matter. What matters is how much or how good you know how to use your penis, because research has found that so many ladies, a lot of ladies are content with the size of the penis of their partner. But a lot of men out there, they have a picture of the kind of penis they want in their head. They want the kind of penis that is being portrayed on pornography. Little did you know that the normal or the average penis size is meant to be 5.2 inches. So it means if you are within this number, you are still having the average normal penis size. Before you can call yourself like having a micro penis or not having the average size, your penis needs to be 2.9 inches. That is the medical size that you can diagnose of having micro penis. So most times your penis size is not the problem. Most times men that even have gigantic penis, big ones, they don't even know how to use it. So if you don't know how to use a big penis, what is the use of it? So whatever size you have, your joystick size, it is okay. Just be confident in yourself and get the kind of woman that will appreciate it. So bigger is not always better. It is the technique that matters. Make most of what you have, my brother. You are enough. Another thing you can do is Jelqing. So this Jelqing now, I've once explained it in one of my videos. It's just like you stretching the normal penile tissues, the penile muscles. You're stretching it. It's like the natural elasticity, but remember to use lubricant. It's just like you are pushing blood towards the head of your penis. But make sure you make use of lubricant so you don't go and hurt yourself, because when you don't make use of lubricant, you can hurt yourself by causing bruises. So make sure you use lubricants. Also maintain your blood pressure, because you know how important your heart is when it comes to erection. If you are having high blood pressure, get the prescribed medication and make sure that you're using it. Another thing to do is to make sure that you build connection with your partner. Communicate with each other so that your partner will understand you. You guys can come up with the sexual skills, the techniques, the position that will make her to enjoy it, and you as well, because most times you need to focus on both of you and not just your partner. You should not just be thinking, oh, will she like it? Always think about yourself as well together with your partner. Communicate with each other. There are some supplements that you can take that will improve your blood supply, like L-arginine and L-citrulline. This supplement, there are 2 amino acids that is being converted to nitric oxide, and you know that nitric oxide is like a vasodilator, like it makes the blood vessels to remain open for blood supply to be able to pass through or flow freely. And when this happens, you tend to have that stronger, that bigger kind of erection that you need, because there is normal supply of blood to your joystick area. And as well, this is a little tip, an extra one. Research has even shown that the size does not really matter. What matters is the technique and the shape of the penis. And research has found that the shape that most women love is the mushroom shape. Research has said that the most wanted shape is the mushroom shape. So you see, what size you are looking for does not really matter. Just make sure you apply these tips, and if you are still not content with your penis size, and or you feel like you are not having up to the average size, then you can visit your urologist or your doctor, and then you'll be able to get help. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have not liked this video, please like it. Please share this video with as many people as you can, and please leave me sweet comments down there. Let's get to know each other in the comment section, and please subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll also be linking some of my videos in the description box so you can watch some of them. I've got videos on things that makes your penis size to reduce. I've got videos on food you can eat to improve your penis, and so I will link all of them in the description box below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.